Are you ready?
No. Never.
Beautiful. The almighty Ecotech. Don't need that. We're back. 12s for 2K Commodore. We've come up with a name. We're going to call it Vixen.
Yep.
So Vixen, we've chosen that name. She's a VX with nitrous. VXN. So today on Vixen, what are we doing?
Alternator relocation and power steering delete. Used some brackets I made up about 18 years ago.
They're nice.
So
just get the alternator down a bit lower and fix the power steering pump off altogether.
Yep.
Save a bit of weight.
Yeah,
make it all a bit less complicated.
Yep.
Not that there's that much going on in there really, but
still a fair bit.
A bit less drag.
Yep.
Bit less drag on the engine. Yeah. Oh well.
Let's see how we go.
Let's make it happen. I might, while we're in there doing that, get it up again and I'll do the transcooler while we're going.
Yep. Get it mounted and maybe plumbed.
Yeah, I reckon I can get it plumbed. I'm just going to hook it into the old steel lines.
Yeah,
a bit of 3/8 hose.
Yeah.
It's already attached to the cooler we're going to use, that second-hand cooler.
Yep.
So yeah, we'll make that happen. Do the power steering delete and the transcooler, so it's ready for when I actually do a bit of mods to the gearbox.
Yeah, get a bit more done today and one step closer.
Absolutely. Well, let's make it happen.
Yep.
Power steering, just looped the in and the out. Haven't changed anything else, so probably going to be pretty hard to steer, but we really want to go in a straight line, so I'm sure we'll be fine. There's the bracket. I don't know if you can see in behind here. The alternator needs to squeeze in behind there. And it's pretty tight. Reckon that's going to work?
Should do. Working for.
So here's our transcooler I'm going to install. I think I said before it was out of Eddie's car. It wasn't big enough for what he was doing with his 2J and high stall and 4L80. So he's upgraded to a much bigger one. This is pretty much a replacement for like a VT to VZ tow package. So I know it's worth like fucking 20 bucks. They're probably worth 50 or 60 bucks to buy new, but second hand, I'm gonna call it 20 bucks. So we'll take it in and mount it up. I just feel like a little bit extra capacity and cooling for that trans fluid. We're going to be asking a lot of the little 4L Slippy, so we'll go and mount it up and give it all the chance it can have. So this is a bracket that used to hold the some of the aircon stuff and the power steering cooler, just the tube, which we've got rid of. So I think I'm just going to use that and mount that trans cooler up as best as we can. Just offer him up here somewhere and make some holes happen. Might even just zip tie it in yet. See how I go. How'd you go, Terry?
Not too bad. Got pretty much everything done that we can for today on the alternator. Just need to get a shorter belt.
Just a shorter belt?
Yeah, I had the coil pack relocated on my setup, so.
Yeah, right,
yeah.
Well, I think it's just going to be easier just to buy a belt that's the right length.
See if we can get a belt the right length and should be good to go.
Grab a couple and take back what we don't use, hopefully.
Yep.
I know what the belt worth, $50 or something.
Yeah, something like that.
But that's good. That's dropped the weight from up here down lower, which, I mean, you're talking about real race car stuff. This isn't a real race car.
No, not yet.
But anyway, talk about move the battery in to the cab, move that weight backwards.
Yep.
Yeah. Cool. So that's the alternator relocated. And transcooler is mounted and plumbed. So it's ready for when the gearbox gets pulled and some stuff gets done. Alternator is in. Terry's found a belt. It was a 7 PK.
Had a bit of a slip and now it's 5 PK.
We really wanted 6, but shit happens. We're going to run it anyway.
Save a bit of weight.
So it's in and sweet. All we're running now is a water pump and the alternator. Should be sweet. Should be good. Cool. I've done the transcooler. It's in. Yeah, come a bit closer, you can see it. So it'll get the air coming in there. This fella here. So that'll be enough for this episode. You're happy?
Yeah.
I think next episode we're going to do battery relocation, move it from the front into the back, and surge tank, get it in and plumbed. And I guess while we're in there doing that, I might even block off the firewall. Cool. So we'll make that a thing next episode. See you then.